Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Marivic here. So I have this beautiful ladies with me, and of course you know this
The famous.
famous blogger.
Hi everyone, and the first thank you Maribik for inviting me your channel.
Yes, thank you so much. And this too, her
Hi-
sister. So
Hello everyone,
sexy.
it's me Jing. Thank you Maribik for having here in your YouTube channel.
Thank you so much. I am going to interview about your lifestyle and fit health and fitness because I've seen they have all the sexy figure always, and they're already married, right?
Yes.
And you are too?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Yeah.
Okay.
Soon.
How has your lifestyle changed since you get married?
For me, getting matured, and then the time you need to early going home if you go to the Dumaguete. Time is a limit. Yeah, time is a limit.
So you're always in a rush.
Yeah, because I need to be take care to my husband to prepare the food and especially to my two puppy.
Oh, yeah, because you have two puppies, right?
Yes.
Because you're not married yet, but
Yes.
have your
I have already boyfriend.
yes,
Yes.
that you're living together, right?
Yes.
How has your lifestyle changed?
My life it's better now compared before because before I'm doing working as a catering so very hard. So now it's better because I have a job for a YouTuber.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
What fitness activities like daily routine that you adopted, like from your husband's culture or from your boyfriend?
Every morning I prepare to my husband the coffee
Yeah.
and then I always ask, "Are you okay? Are you okay? Your body? Are you still energy?" It's
That's so sweet.
Filipina is very sweet.
How about you?
About me, every morning I doing coffee because he's always having coffee morning time, and then up because he's wake up late because he's controlling to the time he's going to sleeping like 4 a.m. in the morning. So I waiting he's wake up like 11 o'clock. Then I
Wow.
preparing coffee and toast bread because he love that.
Wow, 4 a.m. he goes to sleep
Yeah.
and then wake up at 11.
So he adjust to the time.
Oh, wow, he's still adjusting. How long have you been here?
2 years.
Oh, and then that's the
Mm-mm,
sleep
that's the
routine. Wow. So what were some of the biggest challenges that you guys faced to maintain the healthy lifestyle?
see lifetime. You need to always your caretaker, your partner, because you know what he needs to always preparing food, some like dinner or lunch because this is foreigners they love to Filipina always caretaker that.
Same biggest challenge that you
The
faced.
biggest challenge I think before I living in the mountain, no food, only banana, only kasaba.
What?
It's
I,
big.
there's a lot of food in the mountain.
Yeah, it's a lot banana.
Banana
is you like banana?
Big,
You know,
we
very
don't like
famous.
banana. Everybody likes banana. Ripe or it's not unripe. Well, anyways, so thank you. For daily routine and diet. Yeah, can you describe a typical day in terms of your fitness and diet?
I'm not diet. Once a day I eat like 3 times a day.
Oh, 2 times a day.
Yeah. And then sometimes I eat the unlimited rice.
Yes. And then you still
It's very-
sexy.
I think because I'm getting older. I'm getting almost 40. For me, I have a diet like half rice every morning because I need to diet because my age. So this is my diet every day. Half rice every day.
Half rice. Wow. I don't know if I can stand that half rice. So what time you do? Do you usually exercise or
Sometimes.
yeah,
Sometimes.
sometimes?
With my puppy.
Oh yeah, you have your dance with you.
TikTok.
Exercise.
If I doing the TikTok, my puppy is doing.
Exercise them too.
Every day I doing walking.
Oh, okay, wow.
Going so up the hill. With
And you're
some-
alone.
No, some of my friends.
Oh, will
Yes.
join. Wow, that's nice.
This is good for
Yeah.
exercise.
How do you balance your routine every day and your responsibilities being a wife or as a partner?
You're the first answer. You need to patient because you know what? Some foreigners, the attitude
Yeah.
sometimes is good, sometimes you have bad.
Exactly.
Yes.
Yeah.
So you need to patient. This is for me.
For me, my husband is very kind because where I'm been, he accept with me and then helping to my parents
Yeah.
and then he loving me so much.
Wow. That's the magic there. Just
Yes.
love your wife, make your wife happy.
Yes. That's
I like cultural and a diet. What are some favorite local Filipino foods that are for you? It's healthy and
Vegetable.
vegetable. You always have.
Yes, vegetable. Lettuce. I love lettuce.
latest. For me, as horseradish, it's very famous here in the Philippines. Alamungga.
So, about local Filipino ingredients that you always cook or eat. Yeah, local like ingredients. That's it.
Ingredients.
Like you always still vegetable.
Ampalaya.
Ampalaya.
Yes,
Ah.
ampalaya and then cabbage.
Oh, guys, they are
Cabbage.
so health conscious. That's why they got this figure.
What's the English ampalaya?
Bitter melon.
I like eggplant. It's showing
Oh, wow.
eggplant with egg. I
Yeah,
love
me
that.
too.
Yeah.
Yeah. Have you introduced any Filipino dishes to your husband or your partner? Filipino dishes.
My husband only he like the steak.
Oh, the steak. No
Yeah.
Filipino dishes like
Pork
adobo.
chop. That it's pork chop or chicken. Chicken soup.
This will-
Yeah.
So that's what you always cook for him.
Steak.
Wow.
Because his diet.
True.
For me, I gave chicken curry because he loved chicken
Oh,
curry.
yeah. How do you and your husband stay motivated in maintaining a healthy diet, healthy lifestyle?
I think every morning you need to always kisses.
This is
And you give
Exercise.
yeah exercise and then you give for uh
Yeah, that's it.
hugging. This is good for exercise.
yeah.
Yeah.
You need to care every morning.
Do you participate in local fitness like the Zumba and the crown? You
For me it's only TikTok.
TikTok.
Yeah, that's my hobby. TikTok.
That's
Yes. And you're good for singing. I watching your video. I like your voice. Very
Oh my
nice.
goodness.
You try, please.
no, because maybe it will rain.
Always,
Like-
sometime dancing a little bit.
You love
Yeah.
sing, right?
I love singing. I love singing every morning.
what advice that you can give to other Filipinas that's already married to foreigners that is trying to maintain a sexy figure or healthy like you guys? You're the first.
You're the first. For me, being I going to advise Filipina having he have a boyfriend, you need to always caretaker, preparing what he want, and every morning you need to give kisses. This is good for good for give love.
For me, if you have a boyfriend, long distance or with together? With together. With together, okay. You need to always concern, and then you always asking what he want, and you need to prepare the food and coffee. That's it.
Yes.
That's how you keep the fire burning in a relationship, guys. So now I know. Thank you for the advice.
Keep on for sweetness. You need to always wearing sexy, and you give for little dance for your partner is getting more sweet and love.
But for me, I always give a kiss every morning. This is because he loves me. So this is for me only.
Oh, wow. So thank you so much. And so how do you incorporate your fitness, like for you dancing and for you walking, to incorporate your busy lifestyle because you all have a vlogs, yeah, vloggers, so they're all busy. How do you do that?
How to balance?
Yeah, yeah.
The first, to my husband, I need to give for what he want, and then the second, I need to tell to my husband, oh, I have the appointment for the interview. I said, okay.
So you really manage it.
Yes. You need to advance to tell. Yes. That is.
Yes, because if you're doing a blogger, you are very busy.
Yeah.
But for me, I'm so early, so going wake up like 5 a.m. So I finish to my work like 7, so I have time to doing something to do. My partner is I have preparing food for that.
You guys have the foreigner, so we have a different culture. How do you handle the cultural differences?
For me, I need to, the meaning that I need to patient, long patient. Very important, long patient. That is.
How about if there's no patience?
Always fighting.
Yeah, that's true. If you're not long patient, you're always fighting. Yeah. You need to long patient, and you need to understand what he like. For example, now he's a very busy. You need to understand. Yes.
I cannot measure how May is very patient
Yeah, to
because
my friend Ella, she's very proud with me. She said, "Wow, you're very long patient."
I know because we already met
Yes,
before and then
like how many years
I
friendship?
know it's just like I don't know 5 years 2019 I don't know it's more than so it's like I can imagine that you are really you are very patient.
Yeah, you need to long patient, and you need to very kind, and you need to understand to your
Do
partner.
you ever get angry?
No. Yes. That's why I tell to myself, why? Why I'm not get like bored, ano, like that? Bored, and then getting angry?
You didn't get angry.
No. I'm
Because
very
it's
long
very
patient. Yeah, I'm very kind.
That's why you are blessed.
Yeah, thank you.
Aww.
For me, yes, that's true. Long, patient, because it's not same Filipino. Because Filipino, if you're not follow with you, you're always fighting.
Yeah, it's okay. We can just
Yeah.
argue.
But yeah, argument and foreigner is different. You need to follow what he said. So this is your living long time together.
So that's a secret to
Yes.
leave longer.
You're never jealous.
Ah,
A lot of jealous.
guys, no jealousy.
Trainer cannot like jealousy.
Mm-mm.
And they argue.
Yes.
Cannot like that.
Didn't like that.
So
If he
guys, no jealousy,
No
no
argue.
arguments,
always
just
be
patience
Long
and
patience.
oh my
always
God.
be happy.
All right, thank you for that really nice advice for us Filipinas, and to those who are um planning on getting a relationship of a foreigner, this is what you need to have patience. If you don't have patience, don't get into the relationship. Patience and what's that? Kind, being kind and understand. No jealousy.
Yes.
That is number one.
Wow.
And in the last, do not ask for the money. You need to wait. Your partner should give you.
Oh, do not ask because you know what? We have all the cultural differences and they are from, other countries. So do not, change your behavior, change everything just for that purpose. So,
Yes, because mostly Filipina always asking money, going so buying what you want, this wearing very
wow.
sexy.
So, guys, what can you share about the health and fitness journey? Like for you, per May, like you always dance, like every is it every day that you do?
No. It's
Oh,
depend if I like.
so can you share like
Like once a week for doing for the
oh
TikTok. Yeah, because I'm busy for ticket to the puppy. Because the puppy like a kid. I have two baby, yeah. Two puppy. Yeah.
you're like a kid
Yeah, like a kids, more than a
oh.
kid.
They love they need to be pet all the time.
Yes. You need to give for shower, food,
So there's three now that you need to
two.
take
Have
care
two.
because your husband.
Three, three children's.
Yeah, and to Ma'am Jane.
For me, sometimes depends my body. Sometimes I feel tired, then sometimes I feel not go to walking every day. If like once a week.
Once a week. Wow. Well, guys, so there you go. There's a really insightful advice that you can hear this interview, this gorgeous ladies with me. Wow, that's really insightful. I didn't know that we need to have like that. Well, anyway, thank you so much. Thank you so
Thank
much,
you
May, and
so
thank
much
you so
to
much, Maria.
Marivic for interviewing with me here in your YouTube channel.
Thank you so
Bye.
much. Bye,
Bye.
guys.